risk is split among different parties in the ecosystem in this way that the users, the holders of USDS or sUSDS, are at the bottom and are the most protected party in the whole setup. So the loss waterfall gonna be going this direction. So at the top, we got junior risk capital, the most junior tranche in the whole setup. This is held by agents, so us like Osero or the others. If we want to borrow from the Sky protocol, we need to post our own junior risk capital in the ecosystem. This aligns our incentive with other parties there. So if we would misallocate, if anything would happen, the first loss would be covered by junior risk capital. So the tranche, which is only sitting with the agents, it got nothing in common with the sUSDS holders. Then we got stability capital buffer. This is mezzanine risk capital. This is sitting in the middle, protocol level. And if junior risk capital would be exhausted, only then the loss would come down to this level and start drowning that. And lastly, we got Sky protocol, which is sitting on senior risk capital. And once again, only if those two tranches would be exhausted, the loss would start hitting this bracket. Altogether, it's at the moment around 180 mil of capital. But what would happen if some really exceptional event would occur? In normal circumstances, if the NAV of the position would start going down and we would start seeing the loss, we would withdraw any position. The bad debt gonna be covered by that. But if that would be enough, not enough in the extreme scenarios, then we got two options. First is Sky backstop. So Sky token, the governance token for the whole protocol, would be minted and sold to cover the remaining amount. And as the last resort, we got USDS haircut. So as you can see, only at the end and in extreme event, the loss would come to the USDS holders. So they are in the most secure position in the whole setup. What's important to add, and I put on the table, is liquidity. So all of the whole collateral composition is designed in a way that time to liquidity is very short. There's more than 4 billion in instant liquidity, and 9 billion could be liquidated in up to 3 days. So the liquidity profile is also really great. If anything would start happening, there is enough of time to withdraw positions before we go down within this structure.